now time for a little bit of a shop tour. That's gonna include showing you guys the builds. You see that safe?
Time winding down in regulation, Glass made a nice glove save to keep the game tied.
Not a lot of those saves last night.
That was blockers.
Man, I got scored on at least 3 times. Blocked.
Oh my God.
Exact same spot. You ready? Oh, you got your toy. Come on! Turn in.
Do a hard update next weekend.
This week I'm gonna take you guys through the shop. I think it's gonna be mostly catch up. We've had a lot of stuff shuffling around, a few handoffs. Okay, so let's start by checking out the shop. Nothing to say though?
No, I got nothing to say.
A little bit of TLC, if you will. Hey Logan! Where are you? Oh, I just got tripped. You ready for a quick interview? Or are you working on something? Quick interview?
Sure.
Woo! Okay, so Logan's gonna give you guys a quick introduction. That's about it. You can get right up there. Get nice and cozy.
Hello, I'm Logan, 19 years old. Just started working at Paved To Pines. Play junior hockey. It's like the coolest thing I do other than working here. And the thing that brought me to working here is I can learn so much from different points of trades, if that makes sense.
How'd it go?
Fantastic.
All right, so that's Logan. Hope you guys like him. You're gonna be seeing a bit more of him. Okay, we are currently in Gandalf. We're in the bedroom right now. So far we are at a next step in Gandalf is spray foam. That means that wiring is done, framing's done, fabrication's mostly done, plumbing and heating is done. Okay, looks like Cole is running all the ducting right now.
We're trying to create an envelope, so you just got to think about the cold is going to come in. There's always going to be cold entry because it's the door in and out. Always want one dumping at the door. And then I'm just trying to evenly heat this space. Since we have dual heaters, I've got one to heat when you're sitting on the couch, you've got something blowing at your feet. I've got another one that's going to come out on a second run right here below the dishwasher. If you're sitting on the couch, it is also heating this area. They're basically 5 feet apart. And then this one will heat this area here. And then we have got another heater in the back which feeds the entire back and up to here.
Okay, so Cole has spent the better part of today running heating ducts and installing Vario heaters. I guess I'll give you guys a bit of a look. So the air heaters are Vario heaters from Truma. So that's this unit right here. So this is your intake and exhaust, and that is where the heat is pumping out. Let's see if a AquaGo is installed. That is the water side of the system. So right there is where the AquaGo is gonna go. The AquaGo is a instant hot water. RV. Another cool feature it has is a winterized protection feature. So when you're traveling down the road and it's -40 outside, it's going to use a 12-volt pump and actually circulate the water in those lines and make sure that tank stays warm enough. Who's there, Chess? Look at that timing!
Birthday.
We've got a birthday boy. How old are you?
I don't know. 30. You gotta be 33. 32.
43 yet?
already 33. You're already 33?
33 for the 5th time.
I don't know. Does it matter?
It's Christian's birthday today. Can't believe we're cutting into that hot thing. Any comments?
I'm not gonna eat my supper very well tonight.
Cake?
Just making people extremely uncomfortable.
How's the cake?
It's delicious. I'm a big fan of cake. Ice cream cake.
Okay, that's a wrap on the week. Except John wants to put in a little extra time and finish his project. Is the week done, John?
Now my week is done.
Now that's a wrap. So we'll send you guys the bill for using the logo?
Paved to 33.
Oh, Daddy.
If I swipe.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.